Alright, for today's video I wanted to put together a few clips from how my bike has evolved from when I first got it to when I first put the exhaust on, Bassani Road Rage 2, to how it is now, the Bassani Road Rage 2 exhaust plus the cam. Alright. Next up is probably going to be bike sounds like a damn sewing machine. How it sounds at idle. So this is my bike after 2 years of mods. I've done quite a bit of different things to it, but the main thing for this video is going to be the exhaust plus the cam versus, you know, how it sounded earlier. Alright, let's start this puppy.
That sounds good. I'll have that.
It used to be you only needed to do an exhaust system to Harley-Davidsons to make them sound like that old potato sound, but that's not the case for these Milwaukee-eight motors. That was the point of this video. All right, thanks for watching.